Cell wall and plasma membrane. The plasma membrane is the outer living boundary of the cell. Many cells have an extracellular component that is formed exterior to the membrane, which is called a cell wall. Cell wall. The cell wall is present in a plant cell, prokaryotes, fungi, and some protists. But animal cells do not have cell wall. This is probably due to their locomotor mode of life. Plant cell wall is differ in chemical composition from those of prokaryotes and fungi. We will discuss here only plant cell wall. The cell wall is an extracellular structure of plant cell wall of plant cells. The cell wall protects the plant cell, maintain its shape and prevent excessive uptake of water. On the level of whole plant, the strong cell walls of specialized cells hold the plant up against the force of gravity. The cell wall is secreted by the cell. The cell wall is porous and allow free passage of water and dissolved material. The plant cell wall consists of three main layers: primary cell wall, middle lamella, and secondary cell wall. Primary cell wall. Primary cell wall is a true wall and develops in newly growing cell during the cell division. Each cell produces a primary cell wall. The primary cell wall is present inner to the middle lamella. The primary cell wall is thin and slightly flexible. The primary cell wall is composed of cellulose microfibrils running through the matrix of outer polysaccharides like hemicellulose and pectin. The microfibrils show a crisscross arrangement in layers one above the other. This feature gives the cell great strength. The primary cell wall is adapted to growth. The wall stretches plastically. Secondary cell wall. Secondary cell wall is formed between the primary cell wall and plasma membrane only in cells. The plant cells possessing secondary cell wall are generally dead and provide support for the plant. The secondary cell wall develops only when the cell has reached the maximum size. It means completes its growth because it is very much thick and rigid. Therefore, it does not allow the further growth. The secondary cell wall consists of cellulose, hemicellulose, lignin, inorganic salt, and wax. Its cellulose microfibrils also show crisscross arrangement. Lignin, cement, and anchors cellulose microfibrils together, and it is mainly responsible for richness. The secondary cell wall provides definite shape and mechanical support to the cell. Middle lamella. The middle lamella is present between the primary cell wall of adjacent cells which hold the cell together. It is composed of thicky gel-like magnesium and calcium salt and pectin.